Hello, and welcome everyone to this week's edition of Building with Ben. I am really excited about today's automation. And if you love hip hop music as much as I love hip hop music, then you're going to be really excited as well. Before we get started, if you would just give this video a really quick thumbs up. And if you haven't already, we'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button as well. So I just purchased this Sonos speaker that you see here for my living room at home. And if you don't already have a really sophisticated sound system at home, but you're looking to take your music life to the next level, this Sonos speaker can be an absolute game changer for you. I'm going to use IFTTT to automate my Sonos to play music every time I come home. That's right. I want the music to be playing before I even step foot in the front door. So to do this, we're going to start an if applet. We're going to start with our trigger statement. This is our if this statement, and we're going to search for a location. We're going to click the action enter an area. We're going to type our address here, which my address is already here, and I'm going to click create trigger. Then we're going to do our then that statement. Again, this is our action statement, and we're going to search for our brand new game-changing Sonos, and we're going to click the action play favorite. We're going to scroll here to Will Smith Radio. Now this is a Pandora station that I have set up in my Sonos app, so it won't be all Will Smith songs, but I just want to take this opportunity to say that it is my opinion that Will Smith is probably one of the most underrated hip-hop artists of all time. I don't know if it's because he did so well in his movie career or if he didn't use enough cuss words to get the street cred for the hip hop industry, but he certainly sold enough albums over the course of like 3 decades that he should be in the greatest of all time, or at least top 5 conversation. Okay, Will Smith rant over. Click create action. And then we're going to do continue. And this is the part where we're going to give a title to the applet. The title that it's given us is if you enter an area, then play Will Smith Radio in a den. Again, this is too long, too boring. So we're going to change this to getting jiggy with it. We're going to hit finish. We're going to wait for that to load. And just like that, we are connected and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments below what type of music that you would want to play as soon as you got home. And we'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.